So hello everyone. In the last video, we almost completed the styling, but the complete screen was remaining. So let's start styling that inside this video. So let me just hide this counter first. Then we will be styling the complete screen, and we can remove this hidden here. First, let's see what is the look. Okay, so it is looking cool, but we need to do one thing, that this counter completed should be having some animation effect. So for that, we'll be uh, just create accessing this heading, which is complete title. So we'll be styling that using keyframes in animation. So that is we are going to do. So complete title, that is the class. Then you can write animation property, and inside that you can specify the name of animation. For example, I can write complete here, and then I can give the seconds, like how much time it should take to complete one animation. So this is the total duration of that animation. And then like how should it be, like how many times should it uh, start the animation. So I'm setting it infinite, so whenever the animation is completed, it will start over again, and then the process will be continuously going, so the animation will not finish. So it will be keep going and running that animation. So for creating this animation, we'll be just using the keyframes are used to create animation on different levels or on different percentages. I can just write the animation name, which is complete, and inside that I can specify that on 0% how much like what styling should be there whenever the like timing, this timing is divided into the percentages. So whenever the 0 second is there, consider it as 0 second. Wherever the 0 second is there, so what should be the styling of the element, or what should be the styling of this complete title. So for that, we'll be just like make the color to red maybe, and then at 25%, like the total duration is 4 seconds. Whenever the 1 second is finished, the 4 sec if you divide the 4 second into 25%, so one second will be there in the 25%. So at 1 second, what styling should be there? So I'll be writing just color should be maybe yellow, so you can provide anything if you want. I'm just and also I can add the transform property, and I'll rotate it uh, a little bit, like 5 degree maybe, not much, because that will be very larger. And then I can specify the percentage on 50%, like when 2 seconds are finished. Then what should be the styling? So I can change the styling to maybe green. You can specify any color if you want, so I'm specifying these colors. And then I can transform that again into maybe I can transform that into, or rotate that into -5 degree. So it will come back again on the same position, or and then like it will tilt to the left side. It is for the right side, and it is for this is for the left side. Yeah. Now at the 75%, what should it do? So I think on the 75%, I'll be changing the color to blue, because I haven't chosen that color. I'll be doing that, and then I'll specify the transform again, and I can specify the rotate if I want, maybe 0 degree. Anything you can specify for now, like let me just specify the 5 degree, or let me just specify 5 degree here, -5 degree. But here I think rotate should not be there. I think it should be scale. So I'll be increasing the size to 1.2%. Like originally if I add 1 here, so it will be the base size, or the basic size which was earlier. and if I put 1.2, so it will be 1.2 times larger than the previous size. So this you can consider that. And then at the original position, or the at the 100%, we'll be setting back to the normal. We can set it to red, and then we can transform that to rotate to 0 degree. I can specify that, or I can simply write 0 if I want. So let me just save it and check whether the screen is, yeah, is doing that thing. You can see that, yeah. So it's actually implementing those styles which we have added. Just we need is it should be text align center. So it should be text align center, so it would come in the center. So you can see that we have made this effect. You can change the color to different one if you want. So that's we'll do, like it's your choice if you want to change the color and not, so you can change that. So this is how we style this title. I think the stylings are completed. Let's move on to this script in the next video. We'll be covering the JavaScript logic to actually implement the things, or actually implement the counter basically. So we'll do that in the next video. Let's meet in the another one. Thank you for watching.